Hi guys, welcome back. It's just Jacquilyn. This video, all the footage in it was shot last year, 2018, when I carved my pumpkin. Never got around to a video. I haven't carved my pumpkin yet this year. Stay tuned. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna pick yet, but I just bought the pumpkin, so that'll be coming soon. Here's what I carved my pumpkin in 2018. So my best friend Sarah's in it. Go ahead and jump on into this video. So today we are going to be actually carving pumpkins in my living room. I snagged a really good book yesterday with a good set of tools. We'll see if it's a good set of tools. We'll see if we can actually carve the pumpkins with the tools that the books came with. Let's go ahead and get carving. I have newspaper laid down on the table to try to help contain some of the mess. And then the tools, we have two sets. We have the green set that came with one book, and then we have the superhero set that came with the other book. So this book has quite a few patterns to carve in it, and this one came with all the green tools. And then this book is actually the one that we chose our pattern from, and it's the superhero set, and its tools only have a plastic wrapper on it. So I accidentally tore one of the plastic wrappers because I thought it was like part of the wrapping. So these are the tools that we're going to use to try to carve our pumpkin today. And hopefully they stand up because pumpkin carving tools aren't known to be durable. This pattern book, you cut out pieces and add them to the pumpkin. And then this pattern book, you have to use multiple pumpkins to make the pattern. So this is our whole setup. And then this is actually the pattern that we chose, the Hulk pattern. So yeah, let's go ahead and get carving. Hulk smash! Here are my two pumpkins to choose from. Go with pumpkin B, which is this one. Say hi! Pumpkin is crying.
His eye.
Oh, that's funny. Cream soda. I don't know why, but I never turned the pumpkin to the camera, so this is the best I could do. Use this little pointy tool and poke little holes around where the pattern's at. Well, thanks so much, guys, for sticking around to watch me carve my pumpkins with my best friend Sarah. If you don't already know how to carve pumpkins, I hope I taught you something new. And if you did already know how to carve pumpkins, I hope you had fun watching me carve my pumpkin. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and leave me a comment down below. I always like to hear from you guys. What did you carve your pumpkin as this year? Do you roast your pumpkin seeds? Be nice to your neighbor, say please and thank you, and hold the door open for somebody today. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!